Why are succulents good for you? Succulents are a diverse group of plants characterized by their thick, fleshy leaves and stems that store water, allowing them to thrive in arid climates. Their unique appearance and low-maintenance nature have made them increasingly popular as indoor and outdoor ornamental plants. But beyond their aesthetic appeal, succulents offer several health benefits. Now that we've explored some of the reasons why succulents are good for you, let's delve into how they can specifically aid in reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. 1. Air purification. Succulents, like many other plants, help purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen during photosynthesis. Moreover, they can filter out certain toxins and volatile organic compounds (VOCs) from the air, improving indoor air quality and creating a healthier environment for you to breathe. 2. Stress reduction. Studies have shown that being around plants, including succulents, can have a positive impact on stress reduction and psychological well-being. The mere presence of greenery can evoke feelings of calmness and relaxation, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. 3. Mood enhancement. Having succulents around you can also enhance your mood and increase feelings of happiness. Their visually pleasing appearance and the act of caring for them can boost dopamine levels in the brain, promoting a sense of joy and satisfaction. 4. Improved focus and productivity. Being near plants, particularly succulents, has been linked to improved concentration and productivity. Whether it's in the workplace or at home, having these plants around can help you stay focused and perform better in your daily tasks. 5. Biophilic connection. Biophilia refers to the innate human tendency to seek connections with nature. Surrounding ourselves with succulents and other natural elements can satisfy this primal instinct, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment and connection with the world around us. 1. Relaxing aesthetics. The sight of succulents with their soothing green hues and unique shapes can have an instant calming effect on the mind. Placing them strategically in your living space or workspace can create a more tranquil atmosphere, reducing the overall stress levels. 2. Mindfulness and meditation. Caring for succulents requires attention and mindfulness. Engaging in activities like watering, repotting, or propagating these plants can serve as a form of meditation, helping you focus on the present moment and quieting racing thoughts. 3. Natural stress relievers. Being near nature, even if it's just a small potted succulent, can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the body's stress response. This, in turn, leads to feelings of relaxation and calmness. 4. Creating a sanctuary. Designating an area in your home as a succulent sanctuary can become your personal oasis of calm. Arranging succulents alongside other elements such as stones, candles, and soft lighting can further enhance the sense of peace and tranquility. 5. Breath of fresh air. As mentioned earlier, succulents contribute to improved air quality by filtering out toxins. Clean air can have a direct impact on your physical and mental well-being, making you feel more relaxed and rejuvenated. 6. Stress-related health benefits. The calming effect of succulents may have indirect benefits on various stress-related health issues, such as improved sleep, lower blood pressure, and enhanced immune function. Incorporating succulents into your daily life doesn't require a green thumb or extensive gardening knowledge. They are easy to care for, and their presence alone can work wonders in promoting a sense of calm and reducing stress. Whether you place a few pots on your desk, create a mini garden on your balcony, or have a dedicated room for your succulents, these beautiful plants can make a significant difference in your well-being. While succulents offer numerous benefits for stress reduction and relaxation, it's essential to remember that they are not a substitute for professional help in managing chronic stress or anxiety disorders. If you find yourself struggling with overwhelming stress or mental health issues, seeking support from a qualified healthcare professional is always recommended. I hope you enjoy watching my video uploads and can help you. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory.